dealing with stress or challenging emotions, it's essential to have a variety of coping strategies. What works varies from person to person, but here are several effective methods that may assist. Expressing yourself. Simply voicing your thoughts can ease significant pressure. Talking to a friend, journaling, or consulting a sponsor or a therapist can be transformative. Physical exercise. Engaging in physical activity can effectively clear your mind. Even a brief walk or workout can trigger endorphin release, alleviating stress. Mindfulness and meditation. Techniques such as deep breathing or mindfulness can anchor you in the present. They help quiet mental distractions and improve focus. Creative activities. For many, engaging in creative pursuits like drawing, painting, or writing can facilitate emotional processing and offer a sense of control. Taking time off. Sometimes it's crucial to distance yourself from stressors. A short nap, brief relaxation, or losing yourself in music or a favorite show may help. Try these strategies for managing stress or difficult feelings.